If you have a landscape video and want to convert it to a TikTok style or YouTube Shorts format in Adobe Premiere Pro, follow these steps. Select the video in your timeline. Go to Sequence Settings. Under Frame Size, change the horizontal value to 1080 and the vertical value to 1920. These are the standard dimensions for vertical phone videos. Click OK, and then click OK again to confirm. Once the new sequence loads, you might notice the video isn't centered. To fix this, go to the Window tab and open Effect Controls. Adjust the position and scale settings as needed to properly frame your video. Be careful not to scale too much, or you may see black edges at the top or bottom. Adjust until the video fills the frame neatly. When you're ready to export, go to the Export tab. Under the Video section, ensure the frame size is set to 1080 by 1920. This ensures your final output won't have black bars on the sides and is optimized for mobile platforms. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up